Greetings from Söderbysjön's nudist beach. Spontaneous ones, at least. That's a bit hidden in the forest from the main public beach that's just a few hundred meters away from here on the beautiful lake of Söderbysjön. Today is 8th of October 2024, 12 o'clock exactly, and I am out exploring this clothing optional beach spot in the beautiful nature of the Nacka Nature Reserve, but fairly close to my home also. So it took me 7.5 kilometers to get here, 20 minutes with a very moderate pace I had, and you can see it looks absolutely amazing. There is nobody here, and also on the public beach as well. And yeah, the autumn is on its way. As you can see, the leaves are turning yellow, at least some of them, and soon everything will be yellowish and orange color on the leaves, especially the leaves that are not living through the winter like this one, for example. So yes, beach day number 166 of my Sweden beach adventure, and yet another nudist beach spot in Stockholm that I'm showing you. We have 13 degrees Celsius in the air currently, with slight wind from the sides, and I just measured in the lake Söderbysjön. It is 13 degrees Celsius, which is 4 degrees colder than 15 days ago when I was here on this same spot. Obviously the nights are getting a lot colder right now, so it will be colder and colder days for the beach adventures here in Stockholm. So embrace yourselves, as colder days are coming with snow and ice as well. So this nature over here is so nice and so pretty that you can see forest all around, untouched nature, and you can find some also secluded nudist beach spot around the whole lake that you can also hike around and also mountain bike around the lake. And that means that we are ready for today's swim. That is gonna be short because of the cold lake here of 13 degrees Celsius. And you can see there are some nice rocks over here to lay down and chill, especially in the hot summer months, for sure. Yes, Söderbysjöns lake. Let's then take a swim and see how it is in the water, but I'm assuming it is very, very cold. But colder it will be as well soon. So let's just enjoy with what we have. Let's see, I don't see that much through here, but I sense there were some rocks over here at the beginning of the entrance to the lake, and the beach spot looks quite amazing. Right, let's then find some more way in, as my leg starts to freeze from the cold weather. But yes, we continue still, and October so far offers quite decent weather, and colder it will get soon. Alright, so we are then ready for a dive here at Söderbysjön's nudist beach. So let's then go! Cold but nice at the same time. It's a blessing. It's a blessing to be able to have proximity to so many different beautiful natural lakes from my home. It really is amazing. Look at that. So beautiful and nice. Beautiful nature all around. Indeed. Cool. Then it's time for me to head out, as it is getting a lot colder indeed. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Söderbysjön's beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.